My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2012 BMW 5 Series. This vehicle has done just under 104,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access CD, radio, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 4 different driving modes to choose from: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a cream leather interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.